Hello everybody. Happy Friday. I hope you have a good weekend in store for you. I've just been crafting up a storm and doing some sewing and stuff. But I made this centerpiece and I just think it's I really love it. It's really heavy too. This isn't real wood, but I'm not sure what it is. I sold them in my shop, and they were like replicas of antiques. But anyway, I took floral foam and filled it, and over here I put two of my candy canes that I've been, I'm done making them. I put them there, and then I made a Christmas tree, poked that there, and in back is a wooden bowl. And this lamp here is a bobbin. It was one that I had left over from my inventory from the shop, and then I just stuck greenery down in it and some ribbon, and I think it's really cute. I mean, I think it's really it could sit on a entry table, or I don't, a million places, but I love it. And I'm going to be putting this on my Etsy shop this weekend. I had a shop with Etsy years back, and I just let it lie dormant, but I'm going to start adding things to it, and the things I show you. And so I hope you like this. And then this is just a tin round bucket, and I put foam in it, and I stuck it full of picks, little greenery picks, and pieces of twisted ribbon in here, and some little beads, cranberry beads. But I just think this is so cute. I was telling Jim that I thought this would be cute on someone's office at work, you know, because you don't want something big, you want something small. But this will be going on my shop too. But okay, you gotta know I'm gonna make something red. And I found this Christmas tree, and it's supposed to be made out of peppermint candy, and I just love the color red, and I just think this is so cute with the peppermint candies and everything. But this will be going on my SD shop too. It's about I'd say about 10 inches tall, and this is about the size of the coffee cans the way they used to be. And I just glued a ribbon around the outside, and I think it's kind of cute. And here is my Dollar Tree item. Everything here I got from Dollar Tree. they had these little stockings there, and I put some foam down in it, and they had packages on some picks, and the berries on some picks, and it was really easy, but I thought it was kind of pretty. We were there last night at the Dollar Tree, and I noticed that they had some new stuff. A lot of the stuff I went back to get was gone, but they did have some new stuff in, and this was one of them, and I thought it was kind of pretty. Okay, this is my trash to treasure. I took an old picture frame and took the picture out, and then I put the buffalo plaid paper in there, and with some string I wrote joy out. Real simple, real easy, and used something that didn't really cost anything. And I love to embroidery. I like to do handwork when I'm sitting down watching television, and so I make a lot of pillows and baby quilts and stuff. But this little pillow says, "Dear Santa, did you even read my letter last year?" And a question mark, and it says Bobby, and it has a rusty pen here, and then this is supposed to be like his tattered little blankie that he brought. But if you know, a couple years ago I had a hard time finding rusty pens, large ones, and so what I did is I bought, I don't know, a couple of hundred, and I put them in a bucket, and I put water and a container of table salt, and let them set out in the sun in the summer for a couple of days, and they rusted really good. And because I could only find those little ones that were rusted, not the big ones. But so, and that's it with that. Okay, the last thing that I have to show you is something I made, and my mom taught me how to make this. She used to go to craft shows with her handiwork, but anyway, it's kind of cute. It's a little bag, and they're called Amish church dolls, and it has jute around it to keep it closed, and then you open it up, and then the little, I coffee stained it real heavy, and then the little girl would untie her doll, and it's soft. The doll is soft, so if she would drop it or something, she wouldn't make any noise in church, you know. So they're called church dolls, and I'll probably have these in my shop too, in different colors, and maybe if you don't like them stained is dark, but I thought the story behind them was cute, you know. Kept the kids entertained anyway. But and then it wraps back up, I guess, for next Sunday. Well, that's all I have for you today. Tomorrow I'll probably be back sewing and crafting some more. But drop down and give me a like and subscribe, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.